This is my Sony headphone WH1000XM4, which needs the replacement for this earpads. You can check out the quality of earpads after 3 years of usage. I need to replace them. I tried finding the authentic Sony earpads, but I was not able to. So I went with the third-party replacement, which was economical as well, considering the quality. You can check out the quality here. It is pretty bad. The leather is peeling off from the earpads. So this is the Street27 replacement for the earpads for Sony WH1000XM4. Check out the branding here. Street27 replacement. MRP is 2499, but right now it is listed at about 688 in Amazon in an offer. I got it for a 688 Indian currency. Let's try to see what you get inside. So you get this foam for adjusting the pad, which I believe will not be required because I already have it with the original headphone. This is the earpad. Slot for sensor. Stitching quality is amazing. Pretty soft, as good as the authentic Sony earpads. Cushion is great. Absolutely amazing at this price range, but I'll have to use it for at least 6 months to give you my long-term opinion. But first impression is great. You get this stick to remove the existing earpads. Let's try to remove the existing earpads. Let's try to install the new one and see if we are able to achieve the same functionality and the comfort. So to remove it, you will have to just insert this stick towards the corner and lift the earpads. Pretty simple. The earpads are removed. Pretty bad condition after the usage. 3 years of extensive usage. Cushion quality is really bad right now. Comfort was great when I bought this, when it was new. I'll show you the comparison. So this particular part that covers the sensor is plastic one. Here in the replacement I see it metallic. I believe this is metallic, silver color. That's the only difference that I see. Rest of the things I see it pretty much identical. This is the other side earpad. Exactly the same. Dimension is same. Hinges are also similar on both the earpads. Let's try to install this. I already have the foam here, so I don't have to remove the existing foam. Let's try to install. We'll install the left hand side first, so make sure you place it properly. And I would recommend not to put extra pressure. If it is properly aligned, the hooks will go in place, will lock it up, and I can hear the noise of hinges locking itself. Yep, gentle press, that's it. This is installed. I can see the sensor here, so this is the place where we have the sensor. Let's try to install the right hand side ear pad. That is the noise of hinges locking itself. That's it. It is installed. As good as the authentic Sony earpads. Comfort is great, and I have already tested the functionality. I do not have any issues with the ambient sound, with the noise cancellation. My first impression is very good, and I would recommend this Street27 replacement earpads if someone is looking for a replacement for their Sony WH-1000XM4. I will update the status after 6 months so that you have the clear picture about the quality when you are using it for a very long time. Comfort was great. I do not have any regrets buying this particular replacement earpads. That's all in this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. And I will share the link for this earpads in the description so that you can take a look and buy the same. Have a good day.